Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn with Sunil. Today we are going to see English activity sheet for practice for standard 8th. It is for 50 marks. Before that, I request you to subscribe my channel and tap the bell icon. Therefore, you will be notified as soon as I upload a new video. Activity sheet for practice standard 8th, subject English for lower level, marks 50. First section language study. Question number 1A, do as directed for 8 marks. First question, complete the words by using correct letters for 1 mark. First, GEN_LE. Second, BRA_E. Answer, GENTLE gentle, and second, BRAVE brave. Second, copy the sentences correctly for 1 mark. First, please help me, its eyes seem to say. Second, why are you scared of them? Answer, copy the sentences as it is. Third, arrange the following words in alphabetical order for 1 mark. Perfect, earlier, responsible and material. Answer, earlier, material, perfect and responsible. Fourth, punctuate the following sentences for 1 mark. First, Amar said, I could not complete my geography homework. Answer, Amar said, I could not complete my geography homework. Fifth, make 2 meaningful words of minimum 3 letters each by using letters from the word punishment for 1 mark. Answer, punish, sieve, must and net. Sixth, spot the error and rewrite the correct sentence. It is for 1 mark. The slaves was forced to work for their masters. Answer, the slaves were forced to work for their masters. Seventh, write the words related to school. Building, student, study and teacher. Eighth, complete the following word chain for 1 mark. Class, C, act and T. B, do as directed for 2 marks. First question, make the meaningful sentence by using the phrase be afraid of. Answer, I am afraid of asking questions. Second, add a prefix or a suffix to make new words. First, care, second, happy. Answer, careful and second, unhappy. Section 2nd, textual passage. Reading skill, vocabulary and grammar. Question number 2, read the following passage and complete the activity for 10 marks. A1, state whether the following sentences are true or false for 2 marks. First, the mason fetched a good business to his contractor. True. Second, the contractor was unhappy about the mason's work. Third, the mason made great efforts to do his work to perfection. True. Fourth, the mason did not get salary. False. The passage starts with this is a story of a mason and ends with without any scarcity. A2, the mason was very good workman because it is for 2 marks. First, he started his work without wasting any time. Second, he would take great interest in his work of building. Third, he would do his work with full dedication. Fourth, he used the best construction material of high quality, the measurement of the walls, doorways, arches, etc. A3, give 1 word for. Read the passage and find 1 word for the following for 2 marks. First, one who build walls, roof, etc. and plaster. Mason. Second, a person whose job is to design buildings, architect. Third, a person who supervises construction, employs workers, professionals, etc. Building contractor. Last, a person who ensures structure will be strong and stable, engineer. A4, do as directed for 2 marks. First, underline the infinitive in the following sentence. The mason always strove to do his work to perfection. Answer, infinitive to do. Second, choose the correct question tag for the following sentence. He used the best construction material. First, isn't he? Second, didn't he? Third, did he? Answer is, didn't he? A5, personal response for 2 marks. What qualities do you think are useful to be successful person in any field? Answer, I think hard work, dedication, determination, perseverance, patience, self-confidence and willpower. These qualities make a person successful in any field. Third section, poetry for 5 marks. Question number 2, read the extract and complete the following activities. A1, matching. Match the column A with the column B. Answers are given directly for 2 marks. Column A, a pine on the top of the hill, a scrub in the valley, a bass in the lake, the best lit scrub by the side of the rill. A2, complete the following with appropriate words or phrases from the extract. First, if you can't be a tree, be a bush. Second, we can't all be captain, be screw. Third, if you can't be a highway, be a trail. Fourth, if you can't be the sun, be a star. A3, rhyming words. Write 2 pairs of rhyming words from the extract for 1 mark. Answer, hill, rill, B, tree, grass, bass, make, lake. B, appreciation of the poem. Read the poem given below and write an appreciation of it with the help of points given below for 5 marks. The poem is The Little River by Rabindranath Tagore. Appreciation of the poem. First, the title of the poem, The Little River. Second, the poem is written by Rabindranath Tagore. Third, the poem has 5 stanzas. Fourth, your favorite lines in the poem are, the woods on shore stir to life again, and our village wakens to celebrate the rain. Fifth point, figures of speech in the poem is alliteration. Section 4th, non-textual passage. Question number 4, read the following passage and do the activities. A1, fill in the blanks with correct words from the passage. Answers are given directly. First, Shankar belonged to a poor family. Second, the old man was very hungry. Third, Shankar had many wounds on his legs. Fourth, Shankar fell down from the hill. Passage starts with once there was a small boy and ends with help each other. Student can read this passage. A2, match the following part of the sentence correctly. Answers are given directly. First, Shankar was crossing through the forest carrying some wood. Second, Shankar saw a young man who was very hungry. Third, a deer went to forest to bring some herbs. Fourth, Shankar saw an old man who wanted to make a camp. A3. Antonyms. Find antonyms from the passage for the following. First, big, small. Second, rich, poor. Third, slowly, quickly. Fourth, sad, happy. A4. Do as directed for 2 marks. First, Shankar gave some wood to him. Frame a WH question to get underlined part as an answer. Answer. What did Shankar give to him? Second, he did not have food for his own. Rewrite the sentence using simple present tense. Answer. He does not have food for his own. A5. Personal response question for 2 marks. Have you ever helped anyone? How? Answer. Yes. Once I was walking home from school. I saw a blind person trying to cross the road. I ran towards him and helped her to cross the road safely. Section 5th. Writing skill. Question number 5A. Attempt any one of the following for 3 marks. Dialogue writing. Prepare a dialogue between Anil and Sunil from the jumbled sentences for 1 mark. Yes, I like playing. Why do you like playing? Do you like playing? Because it makes me fresh and healthy. Answer. Anil. Do you like playing? Sunil. Yes, I like playing. Anil. Why do you like playing? Sunil. Because it makes me fresh and healthy. Complete the following dialogue for 2 marks. Suresh. Do you come to school on time every day? Arun. I come to school on time every day, but sometimes I come late to school. Suresh. What do you feel when you are late? Arun. I feel sad and guilty. Or information transfer. Write a short paragraph on your best friend with the help of points given in the following wave. My best friend. Parents, behavior, nature, good qualities, hobbies, age, name, physical appearance. Answer. I have lots of friends from my childhood, but Suresh is my best friend because he behaves very well and helpful in nature. He is tall, good looking and smart boy of 14 years. He likes reading storybooks, playing kho-kho, telling jokes. He is very popular and always gets high score in the class. His father is an engineer and mother is a housewife. I like my friend very much. B. Complete the following story by using the words given in the brackets for 4 marks. Words are the bundle of, time, to bring, a farmer, one by one, a lesson, no effect. Answers are given directly. Once there was a farmer who had 3 sons. All were healthy and well built, but they wasted their time and energy in quarreling with one another. Their father's advice has no effect on them. They turn a deaf ear too. When the father was on his deathbed, he ordered his servant to bring a bundle of dry sticks. When that was brought, he sent for his sons. When they came, he asked them to break the bundle of sticks. All tried their best, but with all their youthful strength, none could break the bundle. Then the farmer ordered them to untie the bundle and break the stick one by one. When the bundle was untied, stick fell apart. Now all were broken in no time. At this, old farmer said, "Look here, my sons, learn a lesson from this experience. United you stand, divided you fall." From that day, the sun never quarreled. Moral of the story: united we stand, divided we fall. Section 6, translation for 3 marks. Question number 1. Write the meaning of the following words in your mother tongue for 1 mark. First, courage. Second, journey. Answer, dhadas and pravas. Second, translate the following into your mother tongue. Honesty is the best policy. Answer, प्रामाणिकपणा सर्वोत्तम धोरण आहे. Third, translate the following sentence into good English for 1 mark. नेहमी खरे बोलावे. Answer, always speak the truth.